It's that time of year again, guys. Grass needs cutting. So I ordered this off the good old trusty Very. Only about £98, relatively small, Flymo Speed-imo 360c. And I know my hay fever is going to kick in as soon as I start this. So this is what you get in the box. You don't get a little baby with it. You get obviously the main lawnmower. This looks to be the sort of the bin and the lid for the bin there. This is obviously the handlebars, and this is what fits on top of the handlebars. So pretty standard, and there's some other fittings in here as well. But I need to set it all up now. Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
You can help me?
But this button turns it on.
Yeah.
I'm setting the plug into now.
No, you can't do that. That's done.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all clipped in. A little bit flimsy to start with, but it's quite sturdy now, isn't it?
I'll go.
So the lawnmower is pretty much put together. The box is here, which we need to pop on in a moment. So I'm going to show you the bottom. Whoop. So the blade is already installed in there. Super sharp, so I don't really want to touch that. Also on the top left hand here, there is a lever to adjust the levels. So the wheels drop down for long grass, and then there's a few levels as well for shorter grass. Let's pop the box on, shall we? Hopefully there's enough reach. I think so. Right, let's clear the grass. Give it a couple of lengths and see what we got.
Are you gonna turn the orange button on?
Oh, let's go. So the cable wasn't quite long enough, so I had to put it in a closer socket. But this is the first cut. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Could go a little bit lower as well if I wanted to. Okay, that's the first cut. Not bad at all. It's not quite full yet. Get a bit more in there. Let's drop it down a level. Get a little bit closer. Yeah.
I will.
Oh.
Whoa! 100 and 100.
Oh,
Ah.
quite a lot in there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it in the bin, alright?
Yeah. I'm gonna follow you.
But no, because the floor's wet.
Okay. I'll go on this slide. It does.
There's some in there though.
Okay. You know I'm scared of the noise, so I go. Yeah.
Right, I'll finish off.
No, Daddy, don't make the noise.
Oh. That was on the floor. So that was the Flymo Speed-imo 360c from Very, only about £100, so a very affordable budget lawnmower. Obviously it's that time of the year, especially in the UK, we're all getting our lawnmowers out and trimming the grass. The thing I like about this most is it's very, very light and easy to manoeuvre. A large bin on the back, it took me a few loads of them to get the grass completely clear. And the handlebars fold down, and it's quite space saving, so we better squeeze that in the shed. But that's it guys, something very, very different. I thought I'd give it a go. The Flymo Speed-imo 360c, unboxed and tested, and it's great. See you in the next one.